Hello and welcome
File,
to my
we are
YouTube
going to
channel.
call that external file, that is pull config from. Here we are going to pull in the file pull config from pull config import config. Okay, so we had a config object. This object we are pulling in this init file. All right, we'll create a class config. Okay. So here we don't have a secret, we don't have this. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove this, and we have an object SQL-Alchemy. I'm going to pull in that object. Yeah. So we can use this and this. Now we have got SQL-Alchemy in our config. We need two more values here. So we need SQL-Alchemy Alchemy SQL-Alchemy underscore echo. I'll turn it to false. SQL track modifications to false. Okay, so both will set it to false. Okay, echo and this false. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a function, create app. Inside this I'm going to create the app and then m.config from object config. So I'm pulling in the object config, I'm setting it here. I'll set course also. Course, I'll set it for app so that I can automatically call this app. Then course, we have not pulled in course, so we are going to pull in course from Flask course. So from Flask underscore course import course. We don't have Flask course. I'm quickly going to pip install Flask course. We'll install the package Flask course. Alright, so we can see the error is gone. It has already synced. Now after this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an object of DB. So let's see, there is no folder model. So we need to create a folder called model. Yeah, directory model. Inside model we'll have a model file. Model file. Let me rename this. Rename to models. Because multiple files can be there. Python core. Okay. So both of them will we'll have here in core, we'll create from Flask SQL-Alchemy, port SQL-Alchemy, db is equal to SQL-Alchemy. Yeah, we can see we have created an object db, and this object we are going to use it in model. So in model from core import db from core import db. Here we can call it using dot. It will automatically call the internal one core. Yeah, what we are going to do is we are going to copy paste the tables that we created. Yeah, I'm just going to copy these tables. We don't need app context, and core, we need the model. All right, here we can see user table function. We need this function one object. So here from SQL-Alchemy import function. All right. So once done, this function will go off.
If you like the content I am sharing, do consider subscribing my channel. Thank you.